In my last video, I show you how you can go from zero to publishing your first book on Amazon KDP. In today's video, I'm showing you what actually happened once you hit publish. I was hoping that I was going to be able to come on here and say that, oh, I uploaded my book on Amazon and I made $5,000 in 2 weeks. But let's be honest, that's not going to be this video. Have you ever noticed that a lot of time, most videos that come across your feeds is from all the people that start making thousands and thousands of dollars per week, but you never hear about people who are just starting out. So that's me right here. So it's been 2 weeks. Did I make any sale? What did I learn? And should you try this too? If you are stuck in a 9-to-5 job that's draining your energy, let me recommend that you start you a side hustle, something that is fun and that it aligns with who you are. In a nutshell, this is kind of my story. I work a toxic 9-to-5 job and I started looking for a side hustle that could bring in some real income without burning me out. One of the most exciting things that I found, low content book and mid content book, specifically coloring books and journals. They are fun to create. And once you make one, you can sell it over and over again. And this is the absolute best part. You don't need to be an artist. You can use AI tool and different software like BookBolt that can help you upload your book onto Amazon KDP. So what happened after I upload my first book onto Amazon KDP? And I'm going to be totally transparent. After I created my book, I was so excited about this book right here, creating this book. And did I share with you guys that I created another one within the same week? So with AI tools and having software like BookBolt, you could crank this bad boy out every week. You could put out one every week. So after I created my first coloring book, I went on my Facebook page to tell my friends and family about it. And the post went something like this. And I go, hey guys, I just created a coloring books for kids using AI. It's now on Amazon. Please pass this on to anyone who have little ones. So between my sister and my cousin, I know I had 3 sales. I bought one for myself. My sister bought one. My cousin bought one because they called me and told me. Now the other 7, I don't know who bought it. Is it Amazon traffic? I don't know, because in the back office of KDP, I don't see where my traffic is coming from. So I would like to think that I have some nice friends and family that went out and bought the book, or maybe I got some organic traffic from Amazon. I don't know. So after this week, if I continue to get sale, then I can say, okay, maybe I'm getting the traffic from Amazon itself. Either way, it's proof of concept. And that's huge for me, and it should be huge for you too. So what is my royalty for these 10 sales? Wait for it. Drum roll, please. A whopping $27.90. That's what I made from selling 10 of these bad boy right here on Amazon. $27.90. Do you know, I find this very encouraging. My cousin, she calls me, she asks me about my book. And I asked her, because she don't have any little ones, I said, who you buying the book for? And my cousin is so sweet. She was like, well, I'm supporting you. I was like, oh, that's really nice. And she happened to love coloring book. Guys, adults love coloring books. So she was just going to buy for herself and she was going to color it. So I told her, don't buy that one. I am going to create another one for adult. I think you will enjoy the second one. And she was like, no, I'm going to buy this one anyway. I'm going to gift it away. Isn't that nice? That is so, so nice. So she asked me why my profit margin is so low. Let's break it down. My book price is $9.90. Before I had it at $7.99. Amazon came out with a notice and said, hey, you might want to raise your book $9.99 because we are going to up the cost for Printing cost is going to go up. So they're telling you to put your book to $9.99. So that's what I did. I went back in and changed my listing to $9.99. And honestly, I think my coloring book is worth $9.99. So the book price is $9.99. The printing cost that Amazon is charging you to print your book is $2.84. Then the royalty rate that they're giving you is 60% of the list price. So royalty, 60% of $9.99 equal 60 cents. Then you times that by $9.99, which is going to equal to $5.99. Then you're going to round that up to say $5.99. Subtract your printing cost equal $5.99, which minus the $2.84, which is giving you $3.15. Now, after I got those two sales, because I think my sister got it for $7.99 and my cousin possibly got it for $7.99 too. So that's your profit margin. Keep in mind also, guys, that Amazon, they're printing it and they're sending your book to your customers. That is a big win for me. And that should be a big win for you too. Can you get your own website and start having your own book so you could have a bigger profit margin? Of course you can. And it's probably well worth it. But if you're working a 9-to-5 job and it's super, super busy and you're starting out with your side hustle, doing Amazon KDP is ideal. And for me, a win. So if you're curious to see how this worked out or maybe start your own journey, watch this video where I am walking you through step by step how I create and upload these two coloring books. I am starting from scratch. I don't know what I'm doing half the time, but I'm learning as I go along and I'm documenting the journey here for you guys. So if you want to follow my journey and stuff and do this with me, let's figure it out together and let's see what happens. Even if it doesn't go as planned where we start making $5,000 a month, at least we'll have some fun figuring it out. I'll see you in my next video.